Hi everyone, today I'm just going to show you how to use FactoryTalk Optix to manage E300 configurations through the Anybus E300 Modbus TCP module. So in the down link below in my video subscription, you will find some files. So one of them is the Anybus, is the sample project of the FactoryTalk Optix. If you don't have FactoryTalk Optix installed on your PC, make sure you ask your Rockwell sales rep and they will point you to downloading of this software. So double click and it will open in FactoryTalk Optix. Okay. So the easiest way, so first of all, make sure in here you point the recipe file to the correct one. This is a must do. Okay, and then the second one is make sure you have connection to your Anybus E300 communication module, and the firmware is 1.006 build 1 or later, because only in this firmware all the Ethernet IP objects are available from the Modbus TCP module. So in the file I share with you, you can see a TXT file with the latest Modbus TCP map, and also the Anybus E300 menu with some other Modbus map from the previous version, because Anybus 10 hasn't done a menu upgrade yet, so you have to rely on both documents to look into Modbus TCP address. But don't worry about it, and because this project is all done for you. So just click run and proceed. So in here, so that is where you can change the IP address of your, to point it to your E300 module. So as I showed you before, I have access to my E300 module at this IP address, so I don't need to change it. Okay, let's have a look. So in here, because it's not red, which means it's a live communication happening on my screen at the moment, and you just need to look at something really simple. Let's look at the FLA setting. The FLA setting is somewhere. FLA settings in the overtrip. Okay, see the FLA setting. We're reading that and that. And let's look at here. Overall setup. See, it's 15M and 5M here. So let's say once you have finished your configuration and you want to save it for your next project, so you load it. So the recipe is low, and type in the recipe name, like for example, this site is 007, site 007, and then click save. Oh, okay. Size 007, make sure you punch enter before you click save. Now it's done. Okay, and you see you can export it, and then you go to the file I showed you before. The file directory is this file, which is this file. Okay, cancel that and look up the file that you link it to, and you can see all the savings are done in here. So what you can do is you can copy it if you wanted to modify it in a .csv file, and then just change the name, and then let's tweak it a bit. So the FLA setting, let's turn this one to 5 and 1 and 600, and 200 and 700 and 900 and 400 and 4.5 M saved. So now it's saved, and you close that and go back to the program, and you can do an import. So looks like there's nothing happened, but actually there's something happened. But you can see, oh, where are my new recipes? Yeah, there's a bug in the software. So to get around of this bug, save a new recipe. Make sure the name is not duplicated. So in this way, I'll just say dummy. Enter. Make sure you hit enter before you click save. Save. Now look at the drop down. Yeah, all your recipes in your .csv is show here. So you can just so if you want to apply to it, so you can click that, and then it's side 10, and then you look at the settings. The recipe from side 10 is 700 and 400, and the moment this setting is 1.15 M and 0.5 M. So you click apply, ta-da, see, they have changed. And then it's changed here. So this is how easy to manage your E300 configuration using this simple software. So I'll just give you a quick rundown on how this works. Okay, so basically, yeah, there's a module where supports exporting and importing recipes through a .csv, and I have my recipe set up here, and this recipe is linked to a database. And then for the Modbus communication, see here, there's the default IP address. You can always change it. Yep, and word swapping is necessary, especially for the FLA setting. And then here are all my tags. So if we wanted to change it, yeah, you can do it. So there's a Modbus TCP module here where you can execute export tag and import tag, and then you make sure it's linked to the right one. It's actually in the project folder. Okay, it's called Modbus tab.csv. Select. So this is actually here. So this one allow you to change the name or add more tags, because the configuration I done is only for configuration parameters. So for read-only parameters, they are not included in my project. So if you want to, you can like start adding, based on this table, you can start adding input parameters for monitoring if you're developing a project for it. And also there are a bit more like specific ones in here as well. In here, so yeah, so you can note yourself out. Yeah, so this is basically how this project works. I hope it's quite straightforward, and on the main screen something simple, just a recipe editor, and that's it.